turned on some muscles to kind of get our head in alignment with our rib cage. Next, we're going to just kind of work the proper motion of your neck, okay? And this is a great thing to do at home. What I want you to do, Dawn, is you're just going to put your hand on your neck like this, okay? Now, same thing as we were doing against the wall, you're just going to look straight down while keeping your hand against your neck against your hands. So when your neck starts to come off your head, you stop. And you're going to look up. So you breathe in as you look up, and you're going to exhale as you look down. We're just going to do this a couple times. So again, from the side, I look up, and then we kind of look down. And again, the goal is to keep her head kind of along this train track so we don't get this forward head posture and a lot of tone in the extensor muscles. Once she has good control here, what we can start to do is just a traditional neck car. So keeping your hand on your neck, now I want you to rotate your head as far as you can, your shoulder. All right, we're just going to come around and just do a neck car. So we're just making a big circle around. Again, keeping the hand against the neck, which is no problem in extension, but this is a little bit more complicated because we're adding flexion with rotation. So one more time, let's turn your neck towards your shoulder here, and let's just start to do a big circle around. All right, so that would be a good progression after we can do the flexion and extension. Practicing that throughout the day, again, just helps to turn the right muscles, train our neck to kind of work on, cue and kind of on